welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you two subscriptions. One is Simply Gilded and one is Cloth and Paper. So for the Simply Gilded I changed to the washi only subscription, and I think it's going to be a better fit for me, but we'll see how it goes in the future depending on what Irene puts on the boxes, as she decided that the boxes now will increase in price for shipping because she wants to add more goodies into it, and because of the shipping flat rate she had, she couldn't do it. So we'll see how that goes, but for now this is the washi only subscription. So let me open this up and get back to you. So this is the February sub or the January sub. It's called it's ink of some sort. I can't remember exactly the name, but this is the journaling card. It is in hollow foil and it says life imitates art, and you have all of these washies which are absolutely beautiful, most of them. So the first one we have, and there's one of them that I don't like, which is the puffy bow in the glitter, and that's usually not my jam, aside from the fact that I do not like hollow foil, as you may well be aware if you've been following me. But this is the Simple line, and it's a beautiful blue purplish color. It's really beautiful. This one is not perforated, but it is a stunner. And the hollow foil is not that aggressive. I think because the blue, it mutes it a little bit, so I'm happy with it. And it's smooth, it runs like butter. It's absolutely gorgeous. Then you have the bows, and the bows have this ink-like pattern. So pretty much when you smear ink, like a fountain pen or something like that, it is really a beautiful design. I think she outdone it herself with this design because it's a very different background from what she usually does. I think this is going to be one of those that will become a design in different colors, and I'm here for it. Look at that variation. It's just so pretty. When I say variation, I mean the background. It's just so pretty. And we are going to try and roll this. Again, it runs really smooth. That's just beautiful, isn't it? And again, I don't like hollow foil, but I can get behind this one for sure. It is stunning. So that's the bows. And then you have this new design, and I love how she creates new designs out of the blue. It's just very interesting, the creative process. So this is a 15mm roll. When I first saw this, I thought it would be three different washi, but no, it's just the one, and it's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. For journaling, this would be absolutely beautiful. And finally, you have the puff bow and the 5mm dot or tracker or circles. Actually, I lied. This is not a glitter one, which is great. So it's the puffy bow design in has a name for this foil. I think it's oh, I can't remember. I honestly don't like the combination of blue and the pink crystal foil or whatever it is she calls. I don't think it's a good match, so I'm not keeping this one, but I'm happy that it's not puffy ball, it's not a glitter washi. So just so you can see, there you go. And finally, this is the 5mm. This is definitely not stained because it's super hollow, but this is a perforated washi. So these two are going. And then you have the add-on, the 5mm add-on. I always get the 5mm add-on. I really like it. Aurora Pink, that's the name of the foil. So you have the blue with the pink and the hearts. I'm not sure I'm a fan of this one, mostly because of the foil. It's just not my style. Then you have the bow in 5mm and it's Stunner. Then you have the blue with the hollow, and this is the star design. Let me roll it out for you. None of these are perforated. And then you have the pink with the Aurora foil. I think that's how she calls it. And this is the heart design, just the tiny hearts. And it's gorgeous, really is. I think the foil matches more of light backgrounds than dark backgrounds. And that is my subscription from Simply Gilded for the month of January. Alright, so this is the cloth and paper sub. This is from February, but because the way that they do it, you get the calendar for March, which is great. So the first thing you have is this cut out of an insert. I have it on personal, so you have the calendar here and one, it's a monthly half-page task, which is quite useful. And if you don't use during that month, you can always just ignore the top part and you can just use it as it is anytime. You just put some deco piece here and you should be fine. And then you have this appointment sticky note, and let's open this up. It's actually a sticky note and not a vellum sticky note. So the date, the time, where, who and why. I really like this one. Especially for work, that would be really useful. And you have this task. Oh, this is different. So it's 2 sticky notes. Oof. Oh, they're cards. Okay, so you have a bunch of little cards with AM and PM. This might be a habit tracker. I don't know, I would have to see how people are using this because I honestly have no idea how to use, but I like the idea of AM and PM. Really appreciate that. Then you have the cards or quote cards that usually come with it. So you have your frosted calendar from the month of March. You have a journaling card, be thankful for what you have, and fearless for what you want. The monthly card, finally Soigné, prepared with an elegance attained through care for finer details. That's okay. It's very different from what I'm used to, so sometimes I don't know how to react to them. Then you have this appointment, not stick notes or notepad, and it's just a normal notepad, And you have the date, time, location, appointment details, follow-up, and notes. It's great to take notes, and it's a beautiful, beautiful color. I really like the color. I don't know what they call this colorway, but I'm sure you can check on their website. Then you have your usual inserts, or at least inserts of the size that you choose. So this is a purchase tracker, which is super useful. You have this beautiful dashboard, and there's a few dashboards here. This is a thick vellum, and it says there's luxury in simplicity, and it's just these 3 circles. I really like their dashboards. They're just so, I don't know, different. This one has to be my favorite. My absolutely favorite so far, and it's going to my planner straight away. Oh, it's texturized. I don't know how to say, but it feels really good. It's a beautiful, beautiful dashboard. That's also going to my planner. And finally we have 2021, a dream without written down with a date becomes a goal broken down to steps become a plan backed by action makes your dreams come true. That's nice. And finally you have the horizontal weekly undated, and let's see what the layout is. Okay, so you have graph paper here, a little note here, a memo, priorities, and next week. And it's a good thing that it's undated. You can use this at any time as long as you are on that size. And that is my order from, sorry, not my order, my subscription from Cloth and Paper. Anyway, this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands, and love your lottles. Bye.